Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the vehicle and getting immediate access to the 12V battery. First, park level, set the parking brake, and remove the key or fob so systems go to sleep. Next, open the frunk, remove the small trim cover and unclip the battery access panel. This exposes the top-mounted 12V. Have a 10mm wrench ready and wear gloves. You want clean contacts, and to avoid shorting metal tools against terminals while you begin removing the connections. Once the cover is off, you disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Loosen the clamp with the 10mm wrench and move the cable aside. Then you loosen the positive terminal and remove it next, because order matters for safety and electronics. After both cables are free, unbolt the hold-down bracket and lift the battery straight out. It's heavier than it looks. Make sure to inspect and clean the terminal clamps and surrounding area with a brush and mild baking soda solution. So the new battery, you position the replacement 12V battery in the tray the same way the old one sat, making sure the terminals match their cables. Once seated, reattach and tighten the hold-down bracket so the battery won't shift. Reconnect the positive clamp first, then the negative. This prevents accidental grounding while you connect. After both clamps are secure and clean, replace the access cover and frunk trim. Start the car to verify systems, and if something won't power, check clamp tightness and voltage. A common fix is a loose or corroded terminal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.